Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what our log files is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What are log files? Log files are files generated by computer systems, software applications, or devices to record events, processes, or messages that occur during their operation. They serve several purposes including number 1, troubleshooting and debugging. Log files are invaluable for diagnosis and resolving issues within software or systems. They provide a record of events leading up to an error or malfunction, aiding developers or administrators in identifying the root cause of problems. Number 2, auditing and compliance. Many industries and organizations have regulations or standards that require logging of certain activities for auditing purposes. Log files can provide a trail of actions taken, helping ensure compliance with legal or regulatory requirements. Number 3, performance monitoring. Monitoring the performance of systems or applications is critical for maintaining optimal functionality. Log files can contain metrics such as response times, resource usage, and errors, allowing administrators to identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Number 4, security. Log files play a crucial role in detecting and investigating security incidents. They can capture unauthorized access attempts, suspicious activities, or other indicators of potential breaches, enabling security teams to respond promptly to threats. Number 5, historical analysis. Log files serve as historical record of system activities, allowing organizations to analyze trends, track changes over time, and make informed decisions about infrastructure, upgrades, or software enhancements. Log files typically consist of timestamp entries that include information such as event type, severity level, source of the event, and additional contextual details. They can be stored locally on the device or system generating the logs, or centralized in a log management system for easier analysis and correlation across multiple sources. Common formats for log files include plain text, CSV, or comma-separated values, JSON, or JavaScript object notation, and XML or extensible markup language. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what our log files is all about. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.